No puedo reír, no puedo reír. No me puedo reír, no.
¿Ya basta?
No, dime una cosa, ¿tú te crees que después de lo que hiciste tú puedes exigir algo?
Ya no puedo más, no hay ningún sitio y lo sabes.
¿Te quieres ir? Vete. O sea, no me llames, no hables con mi puto entorno. Eres una jodida zorra, vete a la puta mierda. Que te vayas, que te vayas.
¡Eres un cabrón! Es todo lo último que sabes de mí. Mira bien lo que te digo, para ti estoy muerta.
Muerta.
Lo que está temprano, al tirarlo.
Understand me now. Sometimes I feel a little mad, but don't you know that no one alive can always be an angel? When things go wrong, I seem to be bad. I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood. Sometimes I'm so carefree, with a joy that's hard to hide. And sometimes it seems that all I have to do is worry, and then you're bound to see my other side. I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood. If I seem edgy, I want you to know that I never mean to take it out on you. Life has its problems, and I get my share. And that's one thing I never mean to do, 'cause I love you. Oh, 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 baby, don't you know I'm human? I have thoughts like any other one. Sometimes I find myself alone regretting some foolish thing, some little sinful thing I've done. Just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood. Yes, I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood.